Hello and welcome to long multiplication. So this is just to make sure that you remember how to do working out using long multiplication, because one of the working out techniques in your exams is using long multiplication, which will actually give you some extra marks for working out. So let's just do the first question together. So Jamie's expensive apple mart sells apples by the dozen, and he charges £1.35 per apple. How much does Jamie charge for a dozen apples? So in a dozen, remember we have 12 apples. Let's work out long division in this case. We're just going to do £1.35 multiplied by 12. So let's start off, we're going to start off on the right and we're going to the left. So let's do 2 times 5 first of all, which is 10. So the right number goes in the box, left number is carried forward. You can put the carry on number any way you like. 2 times 3 is 6, and let's add this number on the side, which makes it 7. And 2 times 1 is 2. So now we've finished 2, we can just cross it out. And underneath 0, you can put a 0 here or an X, which determines that now you're moving on to the next number in order to multiply, which is number 1. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. So just make sure that the numbers go from left to right and they're all underneath each other, because this way you can actually make sure that the numbers are added up correctly. So now we're just going to add up the 2 sets of numbers at the bottom. So 0 at 0 is 0, 7 at 5 is 12, so right number goes in the box, left number is carried forward. 3 at 2 is 5, and the 1, which is 6, and then you've got the 1 here as well, which gives us 1620. Now, how do we work out where the decimal point is going to go? So if you start from here on the right of the question and move to the left twice, so once and twice, that's where the decimal place goes. So we can do exactly the same thing when we're looking at our answer. So start from the right and move to the left twice, so once and twice, and stick the decimal point there. So that means our final answer is £16.20. Okay, so use the same technique or formula to work these out. Please do not use a calculator. Work them out individually by hand. Thank you.